Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So that is about capital of 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, I will put this one cone here. So we just concentrate on this one. Next, this one, similar for this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Then we have like this. Next, we have this next one. So this is about 8, this is about b. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, when s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here and here. So this one we have 0, this one we have 0. So we have 0 over 0. We can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we will have cosine of a plus s over sine of a plus s. This one we have number 1. And now we can simplify like this. And now we put number 0 to change for s. And we have cosine of 8 over sine of 8. That is about cotangent 8. Now we need to return back to here. So we know that this one, that is about cotangent 8. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.